Okay, let's start today's service level agreement. I'll tell you the high level over. See, some process or some assignments are time-bound assignments, right? Like, if you got any fraud transaction, okay, so your money got detected as something somewhere else. Okay, you don't know what is the reason why your money got detected. You have to raise a complaint to customer care, right, by calling that bank. If you got some error in your ISSI card, you will call into customer care and raise a dispute, like whether it might be fraud, or you will raise one complaint, right? Okay, that complaint, when you will be raising it, you will be raising. If you got detected money today, you will be raising it within some time, like whenever you saw the statement, like within 1 week or something else. But you cannot raise a complaint for something like 2 years back transaction, right? 2 years or 3 years back transaction. You cannot log a complaint now itself. So in Pega some processes are time-bound, process OK, which are based on a timeline. Okay, suppose you have raised one complaint. That complaint was assigned to one operator in the background. Okay, some kind of operator. Now that operator has to work on the complaint within some 2 business days. Okay, within 2 business days. Okay, 2 business days. In the sense that is a time boundary. That is what business is expecting. Business is telling you we will complete your request in 2 business days, means that operator has to perform that one in 2 business days. But someone has to monitor, right, that 2 business days. Who will have to monitor? No one will sit there and no one will monitor for all operators, right, whether they are completing tasks on time, like that, correct? So they will use SLA on that particular assignment. SLA is nothing but service level agreement. They will define on the SLA how much time which you are required to perform that particular task. Okay, so SLA whenever the time period is done. Okay, suppose you have there is one task. That task's time period is 1 day. Suppose that operator didn't do anything on in 1 day. Okay then. Then that SLA will perform something based on our customization, like it will perform some notifying manager or actually triggering an email. Whatever we configure, it will perform. Okay, you understand what I'm trying to say. Any questions, or do you want me to repeat? Okay, any questions till now? Yes, SLA is a time-bound process, so SLA will be defined for each time-bound activity. Each time-bound assignment, the SLA we need to define, like what is the C there are. There are mainly 2 types of times. Okay, one is a goal time, one is a deadline time. Goal time is the best time to complete the task. Suppose you have assigned some task. Okay. The goal is 5 minutes, means if you completed within 5 minutes, that is good. Okay, but the deadline is extreme time, like you have to definitely complete within deadline. See, goal time is like a good amount of time, like if you have completed the task in goal time, then that is good. Okay, but the deadline is the last amount of time, like it is like the end point. Okay, you understand what I'm trying to say. Yes, always. A deadline must be greater than goal time. Okay, if suppose goal is 5 minutes, the deadline must be something around 10 minutes or 6 minutes or 7 minutes. The deadline must be greater than goal time. Okay, you got it. Yes, got it. Okay, you are in a sysadmin, right? You see, any service level increment is there. I think it will be there in a no right technical. You see once. You started, then you see a process. Yeah, you have it open any one of the service level agreement. Okay, if you come down you can see the goal time there. Goal is there. You know, on the top you are in deadline. Yeah, here you have goal right, they are calculating some goal time on some property. Okay, they are not defining you. Click on that to set the value to property drop down. Is there calculate service levels drop down? Click on the problem. Yeah, interval when assignment is ready. Yeah, whenever some assignment is ready, like whenever you have placed an order. It is asking for goal template, days, minutes, seconds and all. You have to specify your goal time. If suppose goal time is reached, suppose you have mentioned 5 minutes. If goal time is reached, you can take some actions. Click on the plus icon on actions on the right side. You have actually click on the plus icon and select an action. Yeah, click on select action. See, those are so many actions you can perform, like based on a requirement. What business is telling? You can notify the party. Notify party means you will notify the current operator, or notify assignee is like whoever the operator got assigned, though. Those operators you can notify, like you'll send one notification, please do this particular task. The time is running out or something, okay? Or notify manager. You can notify his manager also. Okay, or else you can transfer. You can run in your custom activity. You can run. Okay, these are the actions available. Okay, when suppose the goal time is reached, they will do, they might do or they might not do. Okay, the action is not a mandatory. If you come down, there is a deadline for deadline also, it's the same. Okay, whenever the deadline is reached. See, they are running one activity. Click on that run activity, you can see what activity they are calling. There is some calling, some more. There's all there. There is an activity right in the below, PJ run auto resolve. Yeah, hear what they are doing. They are calling some custom activity. If you open other SLA rule, go to the list of rules, the instances. And try to open any other SLA rule and see how actually they are working. Now go to previous tab. Yeah, it's all to open. Yeah, click on any other. No, click on any other. You can see, they are notifying an assignee means they're just sending a notification to the assignee. This is when goal time is, when deadline is reaching, they're notifying the manager like. So on. So task deadline is reached. Still it is pending from this particular operator, like that. You understand goal and deadline. Pass a deadline will not discuss now, pass a deadline will. That is a bit confusing. Will not discuss it, but you understand it. What is an? See, the deadline time will always be calculated from goal time. Okay, suppose a goal is 5 minutes, deadline is 10 minutes. Okay, a goal time is done, 5 minutes is done. Now the deadline is 10 minutes. What does the 10 minutes mean? It will not count the 10 minutes from the starting. Okay, from goal time it will continue. Now the actual time is 5 minutes only it has left. Okay, you understand what I'm trying to say. Chaitan, can you repeat one more time? Yes, but what? What I'm trying to say is, like old, the deadline must always be greater than gold. Okay, let's think the goal time is 5 minutes and the deadline time is 15 minutes. Okay, now the task was assigned to you. Okay, you have an A, 5 minutes is done. Okay, now still, the task is pending. Now, how much the deadline time is there for you? More 5 minutes. No, the deadline is 10 minutes. Yeah, 10 minutes is there. That's correct. There is not. It is not there for the 15 minutes, is not there for you. Only 10 minutes is left, okay. Means the deadline time will calculate from goal time. Whenever the goal time is done, it will include that time also. The deadline, 15 minutes, means it is including the goal time. Do you understand? You didn't understand. Okay, let me tell you one more time. If suppose our goal time is 1 hour, means the best time to complete the task is within 1 hour and the deadline time is 3 hours. Okay, the deadline time is 3 hours means. What does that mean? After the goal time is reached, you are left only with 2 hours of time. Not 3 hours of time. Got it right, got it.